I am going to attempt to make it through all 5 rounds of level 6 on 10 frame Mania. I'm not sure I can do it, but we're gonna try. 94, 90. Not off to a great start so far. Luckily, those numbers are not going too fast yet. We'll treat this as a nice little warm-up. 81, 60, 70, 81, 50, 61. Okay. Round 1 done. We've got our fill 100 key. That'll make it a little quicker to get our bigger numbers. 98, 100 minus a 10 plus 10 minus 2. 91, 100 minus 10 plus 1. 30 plus 5 minus 1 is 34. 99, 100 minus 10 plus 10 minus 1. 49. 92, 99, 32, 30 plus 5 plus 2, 90, 100 minus 10 plus 2. Okay, we made it to round 3. I say we, really it's just me here. 88, oh shoot, they are going faster. Okay, I might not be able to talk. 80, 41, 37, 50, 50 plus 10 minus 1 is 59, 50 plus 10, 80, I'm in the way, 87, whoo, 52, can I catch up? Okay, round 3, let's try again. Oh, I don't have to start over again. That's fantastic. 84, 90, 1, 2, 3, 98, 100, nice and easy. 80 plus 10 minus 1, 45, 80 plus 5 plus 2, 70, 50, 60, 70 plus 4, 60, 89, oh my gosh, 90, 23, 44, 96, 99. Round 4. Okay, now they really start coming at us. 50 plus 10 minus 1, 65, 25, 73, 83, 92, 24, 96, 84, 20 plus 10 minus 1, 90, 95, 98. Last round. 100 minus 10 plus 10 minus 1 is 99. 84, 75, 48. Wow, 96. 64, 62, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3. Ah! So close. Let's try again. Round 5. 83, 89, 95, 30, 94, 51, 26, 44, 96, 100. That's a nice break. 80, 81, 40, 46. Are we going to do it? 38. Yes! If I can do it, you can do it too. Good luck and give it a try.